Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to transfer TRX from Bitmart to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know security is key, and moving your assets to a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X is a smart move to protect your funds. This guide is straightforward, step by step, and designed for beginners and pros alike. Let's dive in. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Bitmart account with TRX in it, a properly set up Ledger Nano X device, and the Ledger Live app installed on your computer or phone. Also, double-check that your Ledger is updated to the latest firmware for 2025 compatibility. It's crucial for smooth transactions. Alright, let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Open your Ledger Live app and connect your Nano X using the USB cable. Unlock your device with your PIN, then navigate to the TRX app on your Ledger. This will generate your wallet address, write it down or keep it on screen. Step 2. Head over to your Bitmart account. Log in, go to your wallet, and select TRX. Find the withdrawal option, and paste the wallet address you just got from your Ledger. Don't forget to enter the amount you want to transfer and any required network fees. Bitmart might ask for 2FA verification, so have that ready. Step 3. Review everything carefully. Make sure the address is correct. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Once you're good, confirm the withdrawal on Bitmart. You'll see a confirmation on your Ledger Nano X screen. Approve it there to complete the transfer. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. A quick tip. Always use the Tron network for TRX transfers to avoid any issues. Watch out for gas fees and never share your private keys. If you're new, practice with a small amount first to build confidence. And there you have it. Your TRX is now safely in your Ledger Nano X. This keeps your crypto secure from online threats. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.